Okay, so welcome to today's video. This video is on how to make a brake pipe. And you'll be making a brake pipe for various reasons. The most common one is if it breaks. Now you can see the brake pipe I have here, where I have two ends on it. You have a male end, which is the most common type of flare that you'll do, and then you have a female end, which is a different type, which is a concave style. It's more for if you're joining two pipes together. Okay, so you have two different types of flares and two different types of ends. So this is how you do both. First off, you're going to need obviously a male end and a female end. They can join together. So if you're joining the pipe together, you're going to need your pipe cutter. You'll need some brake pipe, which is copper. So we'll change it over from steel. This is an old pipe here from manufacturing. You can see they usually make that of steel. And we'll change that over to copper because of its rust properties. So you can see this old brake pipe has a male end and another male end on it. Okay, and then obviously you need a flare tool. Now this flare tool, you can see on it, it has OP1, which is convex, and OP2, which is concave. Okay, so to make a male end, usually you just use OP1, and that'll give you a concave style like this. Then when you're making the concave, which is this style here, you do operation 1, then operation 2, and it'll flare it out like that for you. Okay, and that goes into the flare tool. Okay, so first thing you need to do is cut your brake pipe. Okay, and that's where we'll use our cutter here. Now, depending on the size of the brake pipe, will depend on what length you need it. So usually measure up and give yourself an extra couple of centimeters, and that just helps with routing it, or in case you cut it too short and whatever, or in case you mess up your flare and you need to re-flare it. Okay, so this tool is pretty simple. All you do is set your brake pipe in between and tighten it up. Once it's a bit tight, then all you have to do is turn it around and keep adjusting the pressure on that pipe, so tightening it up. Okay, some people like to use hacksaws, but I'm not fond of a hacksaw cutting a copper brake pipe because the hole doesn't be quite as good. Okay, and there you go, that's it off. So now you can see I've got my brake pipe. Now if you feel that the hole isn't good on our tool, we can then open that up, get it in, and we can widen that tool ever so slightly, or widen that hole ever so slightly, sorry. Okay, so that's the pipe cut. Next then is, this pipe is 3/16, so you can see this one is a double-ended flare tool, where one end it has 4.75mm din. We're not using that. We're looking to use the 3/16, okay, 4.75mm. So you need to make sure you have the right ends. Okay, all you do is open up your tool and put that in the correct way. Okay, so basically all you'll do then is get your brake pipe, make sure it's flush to the end of the block. Now what you can do is you can bring it out ever so slightly and use a bit of a flat edge, and that'll bring it completely flush to your flare tool. Lock it up, make sure it's tight, and then we're going to go for the male end first. So bring it to operation 1, make sure it's lined up, and then you have to bring it right around. Hold on, sorry, I need to move the camera. Okay, so now all you do then is push that right round, slightly stuck. And now you see we've got a good flare. So that's our male end. So what you would then do, put your male end on, bring it down, and you'll see that's a perfect flare. Now, if you're doing both ends at the same time, you always have to remember to put your other end on, put it on back to front. Okay, do the same procedure. Bring it out, bring your pipe out flush with a block. Okay, because this is a female end, we're going to go for operation 1 first. This tool seems to be sticking slightly. Then we'll flick it over. Operation 2. And that should be your female end flared then. Always make sure you test these first. You usually will when you're bleeding it. And you can see that has a different. And then obviously you can shape that pipe to whatever way you want. Thanks for watching.